I think I found one of my favorite products of the Dara Bodyworks hair care line. This is the Chebe Super Grow Herbal Hair Grease. This is the holy grail of hair greases. You know, I would like to, I'll come and tell you the truth. And first whiff of this, I could smell peppermint, I could smell a bit of the hint of lemongrass, I'm not sure. This is me without even reading the ingredients. And I just know that this is packed with so much oils and waters. I mean, look at this. Just look at this right here. This is what it comes in, this is how it looks like. And let's read what the ingredients are. It has shea butter, it has mango butter, it has sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, avocado. Like, it is endless. Then we have my favorite, the peppermint oil, and so on and so forth with the Chebe extract. I used this on my scalp and it gave me a tingly sensation. Now, this is very good for your scalp to help stimulate your scalp because of the peppermint oil in it, and also to lock in that moisture. So when you use your leave-in conditioner, make sure you seal your leave-in conditioner with this herbal hair grease, sealing all the entire moisture into your hair, and then you can now use the oil. But this in particular, you can use only this without using the oil. I really, really love the feeling of this in my hair. I'm big on using these for my braids. If you're braiding, if you're doing combs, whatever it is, ditch the gels and let's go back to this old school braiding where you're just using pomade or hair cream. I highly recommend you should try this.